Today I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to add more ink into the Epson EcoTank ET-2720. Compatible ink tank refills for this printer are from the Epson 522 series. Let's get started. First, open the ink tank cover and the cap for the black ink tank. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. For this printer, your black ink is located farthest on the left, followed by your yellow, magenta, and cyan, in that order. Unpack the black ink bottle. Hold the ink bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. Place the top of the ink bottle on the filling port. Then, slowly stand the bottle upright to insert it. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. When the ink tank is full, remove the ink bottle and securely close it with the bottle cap and close the ink tank cover. Simple as pie. Now you've refilled one ink tank. Now you'll need to refill the other colors the same way you just refilled that last one. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the refilled ink tank and begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.